Hello, this video is designed to get you started with creating a new Google Doc for those of you that are brand new to doing this, um, naming your documents, organizing your files, and sharing using an email address. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm already logged into my Google account. I'm using my Chrome browser, logged into my Google account, and I'm going to open the class folder. So you've already created this from the Getting Started module. So I'm going to open that up. And you can see I already have some assignments stored in here. I want to create a brand new document for this lesson. So I'm going to go to the New button and select Google Docs. If you see a little arrow here, that means there's other options there. We will be looking at templates. So this is how you can go ahead and find the templates in later lessons in the class. But I just need a blank document, so I can just click on Google Docs. Now, the reason I started in my class folder is so that that's where it will automatically save. And that just saves me a step from having to move it later on in the process. Up in the upper left-hand corner, it says Untitled. So part of being organized for the class is labeling the files so that they're easy to find. I like starting with the module number. So this is module 1. And then the lesson number, 3 or 4, whatever it is, and then the lesson name. So again, this is an organizational tip. It will help you find your assignments to upload them to Canvas much easier if you just get into the habit of using this naming convention, which is module number and lesson number. Now, once I've named it, I can see a little folder icon here. So let's see what this shows us. If I click on it, it shows the folder that it's currently saved in, which is where I want it. If it's not in there, because I didn't open the folder first, I'll see a list of folders in my drive. Or if I need to move it, I can use that back arrow and I can look at all my drives and then select my class folder and move it here. That's grayed out because it's already there. So that's a fast, easy way to find out where the file exists. And to move it, you simply use this little back arrow, find the folder you want, and you would click the Move button. I'm not going to do that because I do want it in this folder. So I can just close that up. Okay. So we've created the document. We've named it using a naming convention that will make it easy for us to find in our class folder. We started in the class folder. We know how to find out where it is and how to move it if we need to. Now I'm going to share it. So when you share for this class, sometimes you'll simply give me turn on the shareable link, set the rights according to what's on the assignments. A lot of them, modules 3 and 4, I need edit rights, so you change the rights here. And you copy this link and you submit it to Canvas. So that's what you will do for most of the assignments for the class. But there's a couple assignments where I want you to send it to the PDE email. So you would just simply type in PDE 3503, it's going to pop up here for me, at gmail.com. It's not a CCSD account, it's just a Gmail account. Then you'll type in your note, whatever it says in the lesson, and then you'll click the send button. This will send it to that email address, and you'll be taking a screenshot of this information so that I know that you've set it up right. Again, for this assignment, you don't have to have the shareable link, so I'm going to turn that off. You just have to send to 3503. As you go through the class and it asks you to submit a shareable link, this is where you'll turn it on. You will no longer need to use a 3503 unless it specifically states that in the lesson. So just pay attention to that as you go through the class. Once you've sent it, then it will go to this 3503 Gmail. This is not part of the organization. I belong to CCSD, but that's okay. You just click yes, and it will send it to that email address. So I hope this video helps you get up and running and submitting your course goals for Module 1. Take care.